Here's the next morning. Holy cow. What is that? That's at least a foot. This stuff is heavy wet. That's the chicken coop. Still 30 degrees right now, 7 in the morning. Can't wait to get out there. Windy out here. October 30th. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's ridiculous. Just freezing right now. 32 degrees. Look at this junk. Here's the railing. Check that out. I saw it's like 8-9 inches. That's after I cleaned it off last night. We had 8-9 inches last night. Somewhere over a foot. Yeah, check out the camper. I think it melted down, so it's around maybe 14 inches or so. The woodshed's holding up. I did rake it off last night, so I didn't want to test it too early. Power went out immediately last night, just as first wind blew, poof, gone. Pathetic. I can hear the cable company's generator in the background. Cool thing about that thing is, power goes out, we don't have to call anybody, because that's a satellite station through the woods there. They'll, they want their power on, so they don't have to run that generator. So they'll get theirs fixed up, and we get ours fixed up same time. I don't mean it gets done any earlier, though. So, power's out. We had the fire going anyway, so good deal. This wood burns really nice. What a mess. I just ran the generator cable yesterday afternoon. I hadn't done anything with that generator yet, so might have to use it today. Most likely melt some, but I'll still have to snow blow. Every tree is plastered. Worst camera work ever. Is it warming up in Australia now? Anybody?